Hello friends! Today I meet real pirates. Arr. At first I was scared, but they turned out to be very nice and invited us to do a puzzle together with him. Let's do it? I think so, yes. Maybe medium level? Okay. Medium level puzzle. Alright. We need number 1 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. And where is corners? Oh, look, I see 1 corner. Where is your plate, corners? Eh? No, it's not right. It's not right. Okay, where is corners number 2? Plate. Variance number 2. Okay, maybe this? Oh no, it's not right. Sorry, friends. Variant number 3. Yes, look, it's right. Cool, I like it. Corners number 2. Oh, I see. Corners. Hey. Where is your plate? Corners. Maybe this? No, it's not right. No. Maybe this. Ow. No, it's not right. And variant number 3. Ta-dam! We did it. Corners number 2. Right. Right. Okay. Corners number 3. Where is corners? Oh yeah, I see corners. And we have only 2 variants. Where is your plates, corners? I think so. This. Woo! Yes, look, it is right. Woohoo! Cool. And corners number 4. Only this. We did it. Now we have 4 corners. Yay! And now we need 4 line. All peach puzzles with line. Yes, and yes. Okay. We need peach puzzles with line this. Maybe this? No, it's not right. This? No, it's not right. Oh, look, guys. I think so. These peach puzzles are this. Yes, look, it is right. Cool. Where is your plate? I think so. This. Yes. Woohoo! It's cool. It's right. Now we need peach puzzles with line this. Oh, 1 peach puzzle. This? No. Or this? Yes. Cool. And oh yeah, I think so. This. Oh wow, it's cool. And peach puzzles with line this. Oh yes, friends, I think so. These peach puzzles. This. Yes. Oh yeah. Cool. Perfect. And nice. Very nice. And well, peach puzzle with line. And I think so. Only this. Ta-dam. It's right. And we have 2 peach puzzles, 4 in the center. And I think so. This fish puzzles. This. Oh, no. It's not right. Or this. Yes! Oh, yeah, cool. And this fish puzzles. This.
Check it out! It's a whirly blade! Grab on, mateys! Yo-ho, up we go!
Whoa.
Sorry, Captain Hook, but you're not the only pirate with special gadgets.
Cool, wow. It's very good. Thank you, friends. Thank you. I think so. It is beautiful moments and it's beautiful French pirates. Yes. Please subscribe and like this video. And see you soon. Bye.